Great! Here are several other recent research breakthroughs to O24-5 in orthopedics, biomaterials, and bone repair that might interest you given your anatomy and physiology nursing focus. We can pick any one of them to dive deeper if you like. Selected research highlights: 1. High-strength bone polyurethane adhesive with rapid curing for bone tissue injury repair, South China University of Technology, 2025. Researchers developed a rapid-curing polyurethane bone adhesive aimed at bone tissue injury repair. Key mechanical data: tensile modulus approximately 4 to 5,666 MPa, compressive modulus to 14451 MPa, adhesive strength up to approximately 5.86 megapascals. Application: traumatic repair of comminuted fractures, small bone fragments, etc. Relevance: very similar in scope to the bone glue concept. Gives you material science plus biomechanics depth. 2. Biomaterial-based strategies for bone cement, modulating the bone microenvironment and promoting regeneration, 2025. Published in Journal of Nanobiotechnology, this open-access review examines strategies for bone cements. How modifying the bone microenvironment can focus osteoporotic bone defects, enhancing regeneration rather than just mechanical fixation. Relevance for your anatomy, physiology interest, links cellular abiochemical environment plus biomaterial intervention. 3. Innovative modification strategies and emerging applications of natural hydrogel scaffolds for osteoporotic bone defect regeneration, 2025. Research from China on natural hydrogel scaffolds applied to osteoporotic bone defect regeneration. Key theme: biomaterials that mimic natural ECM, tailor to defective bone microenvironment. Osteoporosis often has different challenges. Relevance: as a nursing and physiology student, you can link this to underlying bone physiology, osteoporosis, bone turnover, and how scaffolds intervene. For real-time, population-based reconstruction of 3D bone models via very low-dose protocols to O2-5. This is a more digital, engineering-oriented study using AI. Machine learning to reconstruct 3D bone models from very low-dose imaging by planar X-rays for surgical planning. Context: less about biomaterial but more about imaging how surgical planning. Relevance: good for you in anatomy. They used 3D bone modeling and accurate reconstruction 1mm error, which could change how surgeries are planned. How these could fit into your studies, given your focus anatomy, physiology, nursing, patient-centered care. You can use the above research too. Compare traditional fixation versus biomaterial, scaffold, adhesive approaches as you did with Bone O2. Dive into bone physiology, osteoblasts, osteoclasts, bone microenvironment, osteoporosis, and see how these materials, our systems intervene. For anatomy, use 3D bone model reconstruction research to deepen understanding of anatomical variations, pre-surgical planning, teaching tools. If video beneficial, like, subscribe, not forget.